Let's discuss how the turtle changes the direction. The turtle has two basic directions, the right and the left. In each instance, you need to tell the turtle the number of degrees you would like the turtle to rotate. Just remember, the turtle would move right or left depending on the current position. So if it's facing upward, turning it right will turn the turtle to the right, and turning it left will turn the turtle to the left. However, if it's facing downward, making it turn to the right actually means it will turn to your left. So keep that in mind. In this instance, we have asked the turtle to turn left 90 degree. So it's changing the direction to 90 degree. If we want to make the turtle to turn right 90 degree, so it will set up its direction in the opposite orientation. Another way to ask the turtle which way to turn is by words. So ask right is west, north, east and south. In degrees it's 0, 90, 180 and 270 degree respectively. Now you know how to turn the turtle. Another thing you could do with the turtle is to tell it to set its heading. Again, this means you are telling a very specific direction unrelated to the position that it initially had. So here is the summary again, the degrees and which direction it will face.